Hey everyone! Stacy Glows with you again. Do you expect something interesting? I hope I will not disappoint you today, because I'll show you how to do light contouring. I will use only 2 products for this. This is a universal NYX Wonder Stick and powder. You will be able to reassure yourself that in order to emphasize your advantages and hide the disadvantages, you do not have to bother your skin with a ton of cosmetics. You can do it easily and unobtrusively. See how? Let me remind you that my Wonder Stick 1 is 2-sided. Now I will use the dark side of it and put the product on the cheekbones, carefully drawing a line of cheekbones.
Haven't I failed or I've fallen in this hole?
I will also put it on the area of the lower part of the face. This will emphasize the contour of the face below.
Why do I feel why my life's not so clear?
It is necessary to put the product on the forehead to emphasize the contour of the face from above.
To learn again to trust things that cease to last. I made a promise to forget. I'll stop and made me want to rattle.
And the next step that I do is contouring of the nose.
Seems so strong, but when they crumble, I felt so insecure.
I turn the Wonder Stick over to the other side and now contour a little using light side. First I put it under the eyes in the form of a triangle.
I see for so long.
Then on the chin. Next to the area between the eyebrows. And the light side can be used to emphasize eyebrows. You need to put a concealer under the eyebrow for this. And in the end, I put the light side of the concealer on my nose.
One my life's not so clear. What if I
Thoroughly blend everything using a beauty blender. I did not make contouring earlier. I looked at all those girls who were taking pictures with the contouring for Instagram, and I had the impression that this is a ton of cosmetics, a bunch of time and nerves, because if you put too much dark shade, you'll have to align the tone or even erase everything. Agree with me, that is a little scary when you have dark brown stripes on your face. It seems that it's unrealistic to blend. But I began to try putting contouring. It was interesting to see what it is. And it turned out not to be so awful as it looked before. Now I use contouring very often. It perfectly emphasizes the features of the face. You can also make a masterpiece on your face, but I'm limited to light contouring. When the contouring is ready, you need to make a final touch. It's powdering of your face. My unchanging assistant in this is NYX powder. I adore it for light texture. As usual, I shake the remnants of powder from a special white brush and put the powder on the face. And now a girl with a straight tone of face and matte skin looks at me from the mirror. Light contouring succeeded. Maybe you have your proven ways how to do light contouring. Share with me in the comments. Subscribe and be close. My next videos are waiting for you already.